Hey guys, this is my new Air Hogs helicopter. It shoots little missiles in it. They're easy to lose. They come with like about 6. Here's how you turn it on. You just hit this thing under this little thing right here. Okay guys, go away, go away. Yo, can you do me a favor and hold this? No, actually look at the thing this time.
No, look, guys.
When you want to hit start it, you actually gotta kind of hold it in your hand. It's a lot easier. Damn it! It doesn't really go forward like it does, but it's kind of hard. Whoa! 3D gold, man! Okay, that was
How?
best.